I'm Richard. My experiment will test the effects of whirlpools in microgravity. No, not that kind of whirlpool. Here is my experiment. A whirlpool is a round current of water with a depression in its center into which objects may be drawn and sucked down. While the swirling effects of whirlpools are seen and generally studied on Earth, there is little known about its effects outside of Earth's gravity. The main variable in this experiment will be the force of the revolving mechanism that will twirl the water in its container. Hypothesis. The water will be forced to splay outwards towards the sides of the container. The displaced water will then push the water next to it outwards, resulting in a chain effect until it hits the edges of the container. The water will then push upwards because there's no other way for the water to go. The water cannot move beyond the container and water is pushing towards the edges. The upward moving water will then push water next to it to the utmost layer. Method. I will be using a milk frother, 3.5 liters of water, a container, and a blue dye. Expected results. The difference between the effects of the whirlpool on Earth and in microgravity will be that under normal gravitational conditions, the spiral of water will always lay downwards due to gravity. The centripetal forces moving inward and the momentum of the water will largely be caused by the mechanism that will spin below 8,000 rotations per minute, the milking frother. Gravity is responsible for the downwards effect of the water. In microgravity, the water will spin out towards the container. The results from this experiment can be useful in understanding in greater depth fluid dynamics. Now, if you took an interest in the experiment, then vote to see it in outer space.